First at 6, in just 30 minutes, the Gwinnett County Police Department is inviting you, the community, to speak with the chief about the high number of drug overdoses and shootings involving teenagers this year.
Gwinnett County Police say many of these have directly impacted the Hispanic community. As our Palace Suro shows us, a local nonprofit is working to fight this by opening support centers in Georgia counties with large Hispanic populations. She's joining us now live from Gwinnett County.
Guys, there are too many names to think of. You know, Susana Morales, Rodrigo Mayen Floriano, you've got Julia Sirangua. These are just a few of the Hispanic teens in this county who have died in the past several months. Now, in the next 30 minutes, as you mentioned, Gwinnett County Police is expecting to address community concerns regarding those deaths, but there is a local nonprofit working around the clock to prevent deaths like these. This is Julia Sirangua. The Hispanic teen is one of the latest victims of the drug epidemic in Gwinnett County, dying from a fentanyl overdose at just 17 years old. Police say the pills she took were disguised as Percocet.
So we have a tremendous addiction problem.
And this is Belisa Urbina, CEO of nonprofit Ser Familia, providing Hispanic families with social and mental health services so that stories like Julia's don't have to be told.
The fact that they were laced with fentanyl only makes it even more tragic. But we had a tragedy to begin with, that we have teenagers in large numbers buying pills in the black market.
Ser Familia has centers in heavily populated Hispanic counties and a few months ago opened a new center in Clayton County.
January 2023 was our busiest month in all the almost 23 years that we have been in existence in terms of referrals coming from community partners.
She says the need for these services is growing and the ages of those needing help are changing too.
We are seeing much younger kids with suicidal ideation or who have been survivors of suicide. We have a client that is 8 and he survived a suicide attempt. At 8 years old, that's a baby.
To make matters worse, Urbina says there are not a lot of Spanish-speaking psychiatrists to help recognize and fight drug addictions in Georgia. Her organization is looking into possibly bringing a few from Puerto Rico or another state because she says family dynamics in the Hispanic community are different and some parents are not sure how to or if to intervene.
Many of the Latino parents feel so powerless. Kids tend to have a lot of advantages over their parents. Many times they're the ones that speak the language. They might be the ones that are documented. The kids end up being little adults from a very young age.
Her nonprofit helps families navigate those conversations before it's too late.